Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're going to show you how to enable or disable the roaming clock. The clock will be double when you cross the border of your country. So slide up, go to settings and search for the lock screen. And there is roaming clock. You can enable it and you can choose the region of your country. In the example, I will choose Andorra to see the bold clock here. So let's see how it looks like. In this my location, you don't see the second country, but anyway, you will see on the lock screen the your main clock and your roaming clock when you cross the border after you check your clock of your country. Yep, Andorra. Let's see where is Cambodia. Yeah, Cambodia looks something like that. Yeah, the location doesn't see me at the border. Anyway, that's it, the option about the roaming clock. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.